All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another stream, another day, another dollar. Yeah, man, let's see what we can do this morning. Today is Wednesday, June 25th. Going to see what we can do. I do not plan on. Actually, let me not even say that. Let's see what we can do today. See if we can find some opportunity. Well, there definitely will be, but opportunity to make money specifically. That is the opportunity that I am looking for. But we will see though. We are just about break even on the week right now. After yesterday's loss, that did put me back to break even on the week, but still doing good, still in a good spot. So not really gonna let that affect us. Just gonna take yesterday's lessons and apply them to today. But we will see though. I might see if I play some. I think I might play some jazz. Play some jazz for y'all. Really for me, but y'all too though. On myself, it's about to get me tight. Feel a little. I like actually not saxophone specifically though. I like the saxophone, so we're gonna cut that on. See how this is. Let's turn it down a little bit though. We will see though. We are just about break even on the week right now. After yesterday's loss, that did put me back to break even on the week, but still doing good, still in a good spot. So not really gonna let that affect us. Just gonna take yesterday's lessons and apply them to today. But we will see though. I might see if I play some. I think I might play some jazz. Play some jazz for y'all. Really for me, but y'all too. On myself, it's about to get me tight. Saxophone specifically. I like the saxophone, so we're gonna cut that on. See how this is. Let's get to it. So we're definitely gonna wait for the first 5 minutes of open just to really give us a clear idea, clear foundation of what we want to see for today. Because right now I don't really like where we're at. Where it looks like we're attacking all-time highs. Trading all-time highs usually is not the most fun, the most ideal, just because the draws on liquidity are always kind of iffy. Never really have a full clear understanding on what price really wants to do. So yeah, we're gonna see though. See what we can do. I really don't like trading all-time highs though. That's usually not, my best times to trade. But definitely gonna probably have to de-risk though. Definitely play a little bit more defense going forward, at least for the next couple weeks, until all this war stuff can hopefully settle down and hopefully get out of the way. But we'll see though. We may not. We may continue to pick up. Only time will tell. We're really slow, Asia and London, so that's a good sign for us going into New York Open. So we get an AMD. Turn this on. Cut all these off right quick. Let me just see how we look on the hourly. Yeah, we gone. Let's do the same here. I want to cut everything off. Super duper choppy on the 5 minute. That's no bueno. Definitely probably gonna look. We're honestly probably gonna wait till Pal speaks before we get any type of true volume here. I'm looking to see if any SMTs of sort. There is this little small one during London, but I don't think I'm really gonna use that as a factor just because I feel like price made this move already off that SMT. We've had this rally. I don't really expect to see us push too much more from that. So yeah, looks like ES is respecting, -1 right now. Let me just mark it out here. I like to. Which numbers was that from? The 8 a.m. candle to the 8 a.m. candle high to 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. high to the low. I'm tripping. The Asia dealing range, something that is definitely good to use as a tool. Let's see. Asia daily range is just like a standard deviation market that usually does, when it does get respected, when we are in a line with it, it can be an added confluence for a reversal or a profit take level, especially in a time like this where there's not much actual resting liquidity. So, yeah, we shall see though. Turn this down a little bit more. I don't want it too loud. But yeah, Asia dealing range is definitely a good tool to use when the market isn't in the best spots. You have this hourly right here. We probably want to revisit this hourly, most likely. But we also could see this be at least a high of the morning. If we want to come back down and sweep all these lows, we do have stacked lows down here. We do have an untapped imbalance here. We have more stacked lows, so we'll see. Especially if we want to respect, 2.5, run this hourly and take all that. But if not, we're probably just going to pull back and continue. Especially because ES is very close to this daily imbalance that we had in SMT at prior. So we're probably going to honestly push through that just based off of how the higher time frames look. We did already tap into that 4 hour. Yeah, we did tap into the 4 hour. We are starting to pick up now. So we're probably going to get a continuation, honestly. But we're definitely going to wait though, just based on how these internal candles look. And Q is starting to get a flip right now, 9:30. Did just open up. But right now I am definitely waiting, definitely going to be on the defensive, at least for now. Price definitely has a lot to still show me before I am to take any type of entry. So just going to wait, stay patient. We did just tap into 2.5 Asia dealing range though, so let's see what we do from here. ES is still quite far from it. ES is expecting -1. Thinking about changing my chart colors too. Might do that maybe the next week. We'll see. Feel fine right now. I was really wanting to change it yesterday. But yeah, right now we just being patient. We just waiting for the market to show us anything. Waiting for it to show us and give us some type of reason to take a trade. But right now there is nothing. Definitely let that 5 minute candle close though. Might even wait for that 15 minutes to close, honestly. Let me check the indexes. Yeah, honestly, we look like we are trading to the all-time highs, so I might just wait for some type of retracement and then look for a long. Honestly, just in a time like this, we are so bullish. Nothing so far though. That wouldn't be a bad short. I'm checking off of that, but waiting for that 5-minute candle. But I do like the reaction right now. Yes, let's leave it. Just look at this too. You don't want to touch that. Right now we're hands off. Relative equal lows, but we're sponsored by Bullish and Balance. definitely a sign of a continuation. But we really just want to wait. We really just want to be patient because right now there's really nothing. There's no opportunity. The market can rally all at once. The market can continue to get bought up. But if there's no actual opportunity to enter the trade, then there's no reason to dwell or stress on the missed move. There's no reason to try to chase it. If the market didn't give you a reason to enter, then it didn't give you a reason to enter. That's just where patience and discipline comes into place. You don't really want to waste your time and capital trying to force setups that aren't actually there. Like, look at how these candles are printing right now. We're not even printing good. Like, really not a good sign, but we're likely waiting for Powell. Probably what we're doing. So I'm not going to completely write off the day yet, but usually when the market doesn't provide opportunity within my preferred time window, I do like to, I will usually just get off. But I'm going to give it till 10 a.m. I want to see how we do. How we react, what the market gives us. If anything, say if we push past SD of the dealing range, that'll also tell us. Well, I'm on NQ right now. I'm not on MNQ, I'm tripping. I'm gonna have to change that before I answer. Well, I can just enter here. I had no markups earlier. But yeah, we definitely want to be patient. We want to wait just because the market's just pushing right now. We want to wait for an actual opportunity within the market. Ideally, I did say I wanted to see this hourly get pulled back into, but it looks like it might be a breakaway gap if we continue like this. We shall see. First target will probably be this VI. If I were to have entered in anything, I want to see if we get some type of pullback, but we probably are waiting for Powell to speak. Definitely just gonna wait. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask as well. And now we are just waiting. Smashing my chart, smash it. Really nothing for us yet. That would have been an issue. It's too close to call it. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. See how this 15-minute candle closes. See if we form an imbalance off the 15-minute. Maybe 10 a.m. will provide us something. We'll see. Really depends on power. Oh. So you're just gonna remain patient. Let the market do its thing till it tells us that it's ready. No entry, no opportunity. Simple. Opportunity, no entry. Vice versa. I would prefer some type of retracement just because we've left so much resting sell side. We haven't swept anything. So what I would like ideally is some type of sell model just to rebalance price on a higher time frame. But what is likely to happen is we're likely to probably just get bought. This might be a breakaway gap. At least, I don't know. ES actually looks like it's a bit more hesitant to continue to expand versus NQ. NQ looks very bullish, where ES is still seems quite iffy about it. So we'll see. We may be able to, capitalize. We may not. Get pulled back to this 4 hour already. See how the 15-minute closes. We shall see. Possible reversal. Tap this volume balance. Tap that. Looks like a new week opening gap. I want to say what day is that? January 31st to 30th. A new week opening gap. We could use that. Minutes to just close. CNBC posted nothing important. We did close above 2.5 though. Do we show any hesitation around? Yeah, we did show hesitation after wicks. So we probably are going to use this to continue to get bought up. Do we have any type of 5 minutes? No. why it does look pretty bearish though. So we are more likely to probably be delete that low. The SMT with Y. Might try this change in the state. Respect things still. 2.5. Delete these equal lows and tags. This is a lower risk trade just because usually I like to pair the change in the state with some type of inversion, but we did close beneath this order block after we had previously rejected it. You're about to tap into the 5 minute though. But US doesn't even have one. Looks like ES for sure wants the hourly. I really should have took this on ES. But it's fine. Let's pyramid on that. Tighten and stop. Shouldn't go break. Just gotta let the SMT at the low. Really just want to see this be a continuation. See if we can really look to push through this low. Partial there. Oh, I didn't even get the right fill though. I suck. See if we can get that push though. I didn't mess my fill up, but he has to just pull back into the hourly now. I want to see if NQ's gonna make that continuation. I messed my whole trade up. Oh, I'm so terrible for that. Oh, I'm so terrible for that. I just messed up. I closed my position like here. We did just inverse this, but we just swept the low though. We have an SMT. Dang, I suck for that. That'll probably be my only trade for the day, honestly. I'll probably wait till 10 just to see what his speech does, but that might be it for today. I don't know, we did dang, I'm mad that I messed my fill up. That was supposed to be a way better trade. I literally closed at like a 1.4. That's terrible. But you live and you learn. Would be ideal to see us get that continuation. We get a 5-minute change maybe, but for me to re-enter, it would have to be like good reason. goes to Powell. I did just mess that trade up though. That was supposed to be a much better trade in terms of profit. I was supposed to put us back up on the week, but it's fine. There will be more, there will be more, there will be more, and that's what you have to always tell yourself. There will always be another trade. Now that ES has tapped the hourly though, we can honestly look for longs, low key. We do have an SMT. Higher time frame is still bullish. A long opportunity, if presented, would not be bad. If we were to close above this BPR, I would wait just because Powell is about to speak, but some type of long right here, especially if we continue to respect this OB, I wouldn't mind seeing it. And we just got the 15-second change. I feel like this should be low of the AM. We'd have to run this 3 minute for me to be fully though. Like we ran the 3 minute. So I got that type of entry. Stop at the 3 minute low. Targeting that initial BI. It's almost a 2-to-1. That's not a bad. I might do it. I might not. We'll see. We'll see. We did not close above the 1 minute, so we are still bearish. It's probably just smarter to wait till 10. Hands off until then. Honestly. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this with really little size, just because of the fact that we are right before 10, but this is a very good setup. looks like a very clean AMD mount to the upside, honestly. Accumulation, manipulation with the SMT at the low, inversion plus changing the state internally. Looks like a pretty good setup. It's at 10 a.m. so I am in with very low risk. If we push past this, then I'm gonna just go break even. Wicks, but yes, they pushed through it. So hopefully NQ can follow. We do have news in 2 minutes. Honestly, we'll probably gonna stop at this low. This will really determine right here. If we get the change in the state, then we're going to sell off. If we respect this, we're going to continue high. As of now, it's being respected, so let's see. I can honestly. Yeah, that's fine. If we are bullish, we're going to respect the inversion and continue. If not, then we're going to continue to get bought. The reason I adjusted my stops to this low is because price usually will only wick about 2 points beneath any type of PD array if it's going to actually respect it based off the 15 second. I'll say that. When it's a higher time frame, I usually like to do 5 to 10 in terms of like predicting further wicks. But if it's the internal and we have like 2 to 3 points, and I'm expecting something to hold like that, especially just based off the fact that we have news in 15 seconds, I definitely do not mind, a tighter stop because of that. And we are in the 5 minute. Y'all watch my 5-minute video. It is correlated to the 15 seconds, so we do not want to see that 15-second change in the state, because then that would be an indication of a direct sell-off. But if we can reverse this, then I would definitely look to pyramid and adjust my stop. But it is being respected right now, so we'll see if we want to continue to hold this OB or not. See what I'm saying? How strongly we wicked down beneath that. It's better to just trim your losses, especially when the market is telling you that you're gonna get stopped out. It's better to take advantage of that. So I just saved myself an extra like $40 across the 5 accounts. So that's what, $200 I just saved by just doing that, tightening my risk, adjusting my stop. We did just get that change in the state now though, coming out the 5 minute. The only way I would be really, really bearish is if we were to close beneath this 1 minute again. But I don't really see that happening, honestly. ES is still holding strong. ES still isn't even a bad spot too long, honestly. We're tapping back into that inversion. We left the high intact. ES honestly looks very good, actually. This would be where we want to see the rejection from. Just tap this order block. What we want to see is, if we were to continue bullish, I would like to see it from right here. I don't really feel feel like NQ should dig that much deeper, since we did already claim the imbalance. Now, if the 1 minute closes through here, then I would anticipate a sell-off, likely to short it. My stop at this high. Stop would honestly probably be even closer because it is 10. I'd expect to see a fast move into the hourly. Yeah, we didn't close beneath it fully. I like that reaction. To get the full close, then I'll look to pyramid with some displacement. That just provides more confidence in the trade. If we lose, then we'll just break even on the day. But I don't really mind that. We already did displace beneath CE of the wick, so, or did we? Really, this 5 minute candle close is going to determine that. I like that we just respected that. Price is gonna, yeah. I don't like that reaction at all, actually. I'll probably just call that right there, y'all. So about a break-even day, up $50 per account. Thank y'all for watching. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.